Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to cut senator dress. So if you are cutting our videos for the first time, so do well subscribe. So let's get into the video now. And this is the measurement you are using. So I made this wideness for the total wideness for this fabric. The one I fold here is 13 inches. So as you can see, this is my wrong side of the back fabric while the right side is inside. So after doing that, the first measurement is to get our wideness of the material. Chest we are using is 43. So just get that in mind. So this one is shoulder slope. Our shoulder slope is 3 inches from the up. Then we connect the line together. We connect the line to the upside. So after we have done that, the next thing is to cut the shoulder slope out. After finish cutting the shoulder slope, the next thing is to get our neck measurement. Our neck measurement is 16 inches divided by 4. So you are adding 0.5 to it, that is making it 4.5. So what I just did here is I just left 1.5 at the upside and I mark my 4.5. So after marking the 4.5, the next thing is just divide the 4.5 into 2. So I mark it for the width, then join the line together. So that's for our neck measurement. So after I've done that, then the next thing is to get our shoulder measurement. Our shoulder measurement is 18 inches divided by 2, giving us 9. As you can see, I do not add the sewing allowance there. I just mark our actual length, actual shoulder length there. So after joining the line together, the next thing is to take our armhole length. How to get our arm length? Our bicep is 13 inches. 13 inches divided by 2, giving us a 6.5. So I measure my 6.5 there, and I connect the line together. So after I've done that, the next thing is to divide what we have at the armhole length into 2, then come down by 0.5. So that's what I marked there. The next thing is to come in by 1 inch, then we connect it together. So if you have your armhole curve, you can apply it here. I'm using my free hand to get this curve done. After I done that, the next thing is to cut. I'm cutting this. I'm saying cutting is because of just for you to give me the actual curve I need there. So after I done that, the next thing is to go for our chest. Our chest measurement is 3 inches divided by 4, giving us 10.8. So we mark our 10.8. So then we added our sewing allowance. So after I've done that, and the next thing is to get our half length measurement. How do you get your half length measurement? You can measure your client, but for this one I'm getting it 15.5. After I get the half length measurement, the next thing is to take our slim measurement. Our slim measurement is 40 inches. So divided by 4, making it 10 inches. So we add our sewing allowance. So the next thing is to join the line together. So after all that, the next measurement you are taking then is our full length measurement. So in order to get our full length measurement, make sure you just place your tape at the center point of our shoulder point. The length is 35 inches. Then I add my sewing allowance inches for the downside. So for the 35 inches, I come up by 10.5, that is for our side vent allowance. So when I got at the chest, I apply at the downside also. So the first thing I'm doing here now, I'm sure I'm going to let the material be at the top side and use the first part I cut to use to cut the back part. So I make sure that I start from the shoulder point. So I'm using the first one to cut the second one. So after I done that, the next thing I will do here is then go down by 3.5. So how did I go down by 3.5? I measure at the downside 3.5. So after I've done that, the next thing is to drag our hot pan at choke point. So after I drag it to that side, the next thing is to get what we have here. Make sure it's complete 3.5. So we are all the measurements we need here is just 3 inches. Got the average 0.5 going for our sewing allowance. That's what I marked there. So I'm going to use this one to overlap it just to minus 0.5. Then we iron it. So make sure you iron it properly so that you can get it. You can give it what you want so that you to cut the neck out and anything you want to cut in the side. So what I just did, I just notch it small up, then notch it upside. So in order for us to get the back cutting, so we go down by 0.2, then join the line together for what you just notch. So that's what I just did there. So after I've done this thing, so as you can see, just have one out there and one half we left at the outside. This armor point, in order for me to get this armor point, initially if I divide my bicep into two, giving us 6.5, and you added 1.5 to it, that means if you are cutting it together. So what I just did there is I just add 0.5 to our shoulder measurement. That's making it 9.5. That half is that 0.5 stand for our sewing allowance. So I'm measuring the armhole now. What I got the armhole is 12.5, 12.1 or 12.2 rather. So I mark it there. The next thing is to go for our sleeve cutting. So I made this wideness of our sleeve 10 inches. So I make sure I straight the line. After that, the next thing is to get our curve where our curve will start from for the upside, that is 3 inches. After I get our 3 inches, the next thing is to come down at that point 5 inches. Make sure you hold the line. Make sure you line together. So after you done that, and the next thing is to, if you have your armor curve, you can use it to dot or you can use your free hand. So do not forget what you got around the armor length is 12.5. So I'm going to measure this 12.5. Make sure everything is complete, and make sure it gives us 12 points. So what I'm measuring is 12.1 or 12.2. So you can make it 12.2. for the silver side. So the next thing is to get our shoulder measurement. So our shoulder measurement is 18 inches. So we added 0.5 to it, giving us a 9.5. So our sleeve measurement is 26. So you are making it 27. That is a 1 inch start for our sewing our joining allowance for the shoulder part. So I wanted to measure. I'm going to join 2 inches at this point because the cutter is going to have joining at the tip. So I'm minus 1.5 there, just minus 1.5 there because of our joining. So the next thing is to join the sleeve together, join the line together, then you cut it out. So guys, that is for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.